Did you know that 70% of interviewees for data analyst positions fail to adequately answer questions on data interpretation? Indeed, this surprising statistic underlines the necessity of being well prepared for data analysis interviews. Far too many people believe that simply showcasing technical skills is the key to acing these interviews. Of course, technical prowess is essential, but demonstrating your ability to decipher and articulate data insights is just as vital. Failing to meet expectations in this aspect often results in disappointment, even for candidates with strong technical abilities. We'll cover this topic in depth, emphasizing the serious implications of being underprepared and the possible fallout. But fear not, our goal isn't to frighten you. Rather, we aim to you with the tools you need to excel. We're going to explore the top 5 data analyst interview questions and reveal their high-scoring responses, preparing you to face your next interview with self-assurance. Stay tuned to learn the 5 most commonly asked data analyst interview questions and how to respond to them in a way that will impress your prospective employers. As we delve deeper into the world of data analysis interviews, we want to ensure you're getting the most out of this content. If you're finding this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. This helps us reach more people and continue creating content that will help you succeed in your data analysis career. And if you haven't done so yet, consider subscribing to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. We cover a wide range of topics from interview tips to in-depth data analysis tutorials. Now let's get back to our main content and uncover more insights into data analysis interviews. The first question that often comes up in data analyst interviews is, describe a time when you used data to drive a decision. Now, when you're faced with this question, what the interviewer really wants to understand is your ability to leverage data to influence business outcomes. Let's walk through an example. Picture a scenario where your company has seen a decline in sales for a popular product. To address this problem, you might first gather data on sales trends, customer feedback, and competitor performance. You would then analyze this data, perhaps discovering that your product's pricing is higher than the market average. Based on these insights, you might recommend a price reduction to increase competitiveness. This example demonstrates that you can define a problem, gather and analyze data, and derive a solution that drives a business decision. It's a clear, concise, and compelling answer that shows you can turn data into action. Remember, the key to answering this question effectively is demonstrating your hands-on experience with data-driven decision-making. In the midst of all this discussion, let's take a brief moment to connect. If you're finding this video helpful, insightful, or even comforting as you prepare for your data analysis interviews, we'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button. Your support goes a long way in helping us create more content like this, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future content designed to help you land your dream job. We have a lot more in store for you, so let's dive back into the interview questions with that said. Another common question is, how do you handle large data sets? This question aims to gauge your proficiency with data management tools and techniques. A top-scoring answer would involve demonstrating your familiarity with software such as SQL for database management and Excel for data analysis. You might say, I leverage SQL for querying and managing large databases. This allows me to extract specific data subsets for further analysis. On the other hand, I use Excel for its powerful data analysis and visualization tools. Functions like pivot tables and VLOOKUP are particularly handy when dealing with large data sets. Additionally, it's essential to touch upon data cleaning and organization. You could add, before diving into analysis, I ensure the data is clean and well structured. This involves handling missing values, removing duplicates, and checking for inconsistencies. The key to a top-scoring answer here is to show that you're comfortable handling and making sense of large amounts of data. Questions 3 and 4 often revolve around data accuracy and visualization. Now, these are crucial aspects of any data analyst's role. When you're asked about how you ensure data accuracy, what interviewers want to see is your meticulous approach to handling data. You might start by saying, I firmly believe that the accuracy of data is paramount in any analysis. To ensure this, I employ a number of methods. Then, delve into the specifics. Discuss how you use data cleaning techniques to handle missing or inconsistent data, or how you validate data by using algorithms and other statistical methods. Don't shy away from getting a bit technical here. It demonstrates your expertise and shows that you're not just all talk. For example, a top-scoring answer might sound something like this. In my previous role, I often used cross-validation techniques to ensure data accuracy. I also implemented data auditing to find anomalies and outliers that could potentially skew our analysis. By setting up a robust system of checks and balances, we were able to maintain a high degree of data integrity. Next, the topic of data visualization. This is where your creativity can shine. But remember, effective data visualization is not just about making things look pretty. It's about presenting data in a way that's easy to understand and interpret. You could say something like, in terms of data visualization, my experience is quite extensive. I've used tools like Tableau to present complex data sets in a visually appealing and easy to understand manner. Then give specific examples. Maybe talk about a time when your visualization of sales data helped identify trends that led to a new marketing strategy, or how your visualization of user behavior data helped improve a product's user interface. A top-scoring response might be, in my last position, I used Tableau to create a dynamic dashboard that tracked key performance indicators in real time. This allowed our team to quickly spot trends and make data-driven decisions. My visualizations were praised for their clarity and insightfulness. Remember, your potential employers want to see that you not only understand the importance of data accuracy, but also know how to present data in an understandable and visually appealing manner. The fifth question usually pertains to data privacy and security. Now, your answer to this question should highlight your understanding of data protection laws and ethical guidelines. You could mention your familiarity with the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, for instance, which is a crucial part of data handling in the European Union. Paint a picture of how you respect these regulations in your everyday work, and how you keep yourself updated with any changes or new laws. You could also discuss the steps you take to ensure data security, such as encryption and secure data storage. But remember, it's not just about the technical details. You also need to demonstrate your ethical considerations in handling data. For example, you could talk about how you anonymize sensitive data to protect individual identities, or how you only use data for its intended purposes. The key to a winning answer here is showing that you're not just a data whiz, but also a responsible and ethical data analyst. In our penultimate scene, let's focus on a crucial aspect of data analysis that often goes overlooked: the art of storytelling with data. The ability to communicate your findings effectively is just as important as the technical skills you bring to the table. You could be the best data analyst in the world, but if you can't explain your results in a way that others can understand, your work loses its impact. So, when asked about this in an interview, it's important to highlight your ability to translate complex data into clear, actionable insights. Discuss how you use data visualization tools to present your findings in a visually appealing and understandable manner. You could mention specific instances where your data storytelling skills influenced key business decisions. Also, don't shy away from discussing the challenges you faced in communicating complex data and how you overcame them. Remember, effective data storytelling is all about simplifying complexity and enabling informed decision-making. So, showcase your ability to do just that, and you'll set yourself apart from other candidates. Now that you're armed with the top-scoring answers to these common data analyst interview questions, you're one step closer to acing that interview. Let's take a moment to review the key takeaways from our discussion. We began by shedding light on the surprising reality of data analysis interviews, acknowledging their unique challenges and potential pitfalls. We then moved on to the importance of using data to drive decisions, emphasizing the need for concrete examples from your past experiences. Next, we tackled the daunting subject of handling large data sets, stressing the importance of showcasing your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. We also explored how to ensure data accuracy and the value of data visualization, highlighting your attention to detail and creative thinking. Finally, we addressed the critical aspect of data privacy and security, demonstrating your ethical approach and commitment to protecting sensitive information. Remember, the secret to a successful data analyst interview lies in demonstrating your practical experience, technical skills, and ethical approach to data analysis. Good luck.